Okay, we have a flagpole here, and the flagpole in reality is 12 meters high. And they've asked you to draw this flagpole in your books where you're saying that 1 centimetre in your book is equivalent to 1 metre. So you're drawing it in a scale of 1 to 100. It means that your book is 1/100th as large. 1 centimetre is only equivalent to 1 metre. It's 1/100th of what it is in reality. So if you were to draw this as 12 centimetres tall, and then it's asking you to draw an angle here at 60 degrees from down here to reach the top of your flagpole. So you make a long line here on the bottom. And then if this angle down here is going to be 60 degrees, the angle that's up here is going to be 30 degrees. So you put your protractor up here, measure a 30-degree angle, and then you draw a line down until it crosses your horizontal ground. So here's your ground. And when it crosses the ground, this would be where the shadow of your flagpole would be. The sun is up here, shining onto your flagpole and giving a length of a shadow. Then you just use your ruler to actually find out how long is this shadow when I measure it with my ruler. So I make a 30-degree angle from my 12 centimetre flagpole, and then when I measure this length, I get that the length in my book will be 6 centimetres long. That tells me that the length of the shadow in reality of my shadow is the 6 centimetres that I had in my book times the scale factor. And I know that in reality it's 100 times larger than it is in my book, which is 600 centimetres, which is 6 meters long. So that's the first part of the question. You just do that by taking the 30-degree angle from the top of the flagpole, extending the line down, see where it cuts the horizontal line, which is supposed to symbolize the ground, then measure the length from the bottom of your flagpole to the edge of your triangle that you got from when you drew this line. And 6 centimetres give you a 6 centimetre long shadow. Then they say a few hours later, it gets to the point where the angle here at the bottom is 45 degrees. If we were to measure this angle, it would be 45 degrees. We know that it's a right angle. So here's still our flagpole. It's still 12 meters tall, but the angle here is 45 degrees. The angle here is a triangle, so we know it's 90. So that means this angle is 45 degrees as well. And there's something very special we told you, that whenever the two of the angles in the triangle have exactly the same number of degrees, it means that the length of those lines coming out of those two angles are identical in length. And we already know that the flagpole is 12 meters long. Therefore, the shadow created at an exact angle of 90 degrees would also be 12 meters. A 12 meter long flagpole, when the angle between the ground and the top of the flagpole is 45 degrees, would give an exact 12 meter shadow.